Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your carrier voicemail is active. This avoids confusion later. Once done, unlock your iPhone and open the phone app, then tap the voicemail tab at the bottom. If visual voicemail appears, scan the messages list for the message you want to remove. You're doing this now so you won't delete the wrong message. Take a moment to identify the message by caller or timestamp before moving on to deletion. Next, remove the selected voicemails. Swipe left on a single message and tap Delete, or tap Edit to select multiple messages and delete them in one action. Once deleted, those items move to Deleted Messages. Make sure you check that folder. To permanently remove them, open Deleted Messages and tap Clear All or delete individual entries. This two-step deletion prevents accidental loss and ensures storage is free. Finally, restart your iPhone to refresh voicemail syncing and verify the messages are gone. If deleted voicemails still appear, make sure visual voicemail is enabled. If not, try toggling airplane mode or resetting network settings. If visual voicemail is missing or not updating, contact your carrier to purge server-side copies. As a last resort, back up your phone and reset settings. This can resolve persistent sync issues, but use it only after carrier supports.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.